All right, guys, this is just a quick update of what the rest of the week looks like because I changed the weekly overview a little bit based on how we were working yesterday. So now the plan is, originally the plan was to have all three body paragraphs outlined by Friday, but I have changed that plan because that is way too much for 2 days for sixth graders. So the new plan is as follows. You should have your body paragraph one outline finished. You should have had that finished at the end of the day yesterday. But now, today, I'm going to be sending out feedback on your body paragraph one outline on your outline sheets in Google Classroom. I'll be sending out that feedback. That will be either via email or commented or as comments on your outline doc. So be on the lookout for that feedback. And once you have that feedback, you can begin taking my comments into account and revising your body paragraph one outline. Now, depending on when you get the feedback, you might start revising that body paragraph one outline a little bit today, or it might be something that you end up doing tomorrow. But that is the gist of today. You're not outlining any new body paragraphs today on Thursday, 4/16, but you are waiting for my feedback on your body paragraph one outline. And once you get that feedback, you can start revising body paragraph one. But you're not starting body paragraph two today. You are not starting body paragraph two today. When you're not revising body paragraph one, or the outline for body paragraph one, you should be working and finishing practice number 2, punctuating fanboys on No Red Ink, and reading independently to make progress on your quarter 4 tic-tac-toe project. So that's the gist for today. There's a slightly new gist for tomorrow, Friday 4/17 as well. We'll have the quiz for punctuating fanboys on No Red Ink, and then by the end of the day on Friday, you need to have your revised body paragraph one outline based on the feedback that I'll send out to you today. And you'll need your first draft of your body paragraph two outline. And both of those will be due by tomorrow at 2:30. So that's the revised schedule for this week. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns or comments. Just shoot me an email with any questions. Thanks.